3 ingredients.
3. 1, 2, 3.
1 pot. I mean, who doesn't love tacos? These are so easy and so good. You can be ready to eat in about 20 to 30 minutes. All you need is some roasted salsa verde, tahine, and chicken thighs or chicken breast. We prefer chicken thighs because they taste better, they're juicier, they're more tender, they're cheaper, but of course you can do whatever you like. And then of course you need all your fixins. We like cheese and a pico, and sometimes we do shredded cabbage or lettuce. Since we're using an Instant Pot for this recipe, it's fine to use frozen chicken. As long as you don't cook it too long, it'll come out great. You can get any salsa verde that you like. Whatever brand you get, just make sure it's roasted because these tacos won't taste the same if you don't. Okay, this is so easy. Your chicken goes in the pot, you dump the entire jar of salsa, and you put a little bit of water in the jar just to get that extra that's left in the jar. Pour that in. Then you're going to sprinkle in some tahine. And if you're not familiar with tahine, it's just chili lime salt. I just sprinkle it in, eyeball it, probably about 2 teaspoons. If your chicken is frozen, you're going to cook for 18 minutes on high pressure with a quick pressure release. And if you're using thawed chicken, you're going to cook for 12 minutes with a quick release. These times are consistently good in my experience, but if the chicken didn't get done, just put the lid back on for a few more minutes and it'll be fine. Once the chicken's done, just take it out and shred it up, and then you're going to put it back into the pot with all those juices and just kind of let it sit there, and it absorbs more of the juice and more of the flavor. It is so good. This is a great dinner, by the way, for a travel day. You don't have to have any sides. The tacos are just enough. It's so easy and so good. And by the way, if you have any leftovers, it makes a great taco soup. You can just add some tomatoes, maybe some hominy or corn, and top with diced avocado, cheese, cilantro, or even some pico. It would be so good. Yum. And there you have it. It doesn't get much easier than that. If you made this recipe, by the way, tag me on Instagram. I love hearing from you guys. You gotta have beans and rice to go along with these tacos. I'm pretty sure it's a law or something.
Stop breaking the law!
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.